Hi everybody, my name is Ivan Banov. Welcome to this episode of EdTech's Tips, a weekly video containing useful tech info meant to make your life as a member of CVTC easier. So this week we're going to be covering a couple of helpful tips dealing with text formatting, and these tips apply to many different programs including Word, PowerPoint, etc. So try them out. It works in WIDs, it works everywhere that we do our work. So see if you can try these out in different places. Let's say I'm in a page here, you guys can see my page, and I really want my students to notice these words. So you guys know you can highlight the words and then click on B to make them bold, but we can also just use a hotkey. If you hit Control B or Command B in Windows, that's how you do that. You just highlight the words and hit Command B or Control B. On a similar line, if you want to italicize something, you can select the word again by double clicking and Control I for italicize. You can also hit Command I if you're on Mac. So if you want to italicize something, Command I. And the last thing, let's say we have these words here. Do you like to underline them? You can probably guess where we're going. This would be Control U for underline. So Control B for bold, Control I for italicize, Control U for underline. You can even do all of these if you wanted to. You can underline, bold, and italicize. Just a comment that it would be nice if you didn't use all of these all the time. It's a little confusing for students, but whenever you have something that you really want students to remember, you can use Control B, Control I, Control U for bold, underline, and italicize. If you wanted to add emojis, I don't know if you guys knew this, in Windows you can push the Windows key and period, and the Windows key and period opens up your emoji window. You can either select one of these emojis or you could type, for example, phone, and then you can put in a picture of a phone for yourself if that's what you would like to do here. And maybe the same thing applies. You want to have a little emoji for your email, so you can type in envelope and then you'll see a little envelope, and it's pretty easy to add in emojis that way, which is something that's kind of neat. On a Mac, it's a little bit different. You have to hit Control, Command, and Spacebar, and it'll bring up your emoji menu. But you just hit in Windows key and period, and then you can see the emojis that you want to enter to express your students' feelings of being in your class, right? So those are some tips on formatting. I hope that you found these informative, and we're grateful for all the positive feedback we've gotten on all of our Hotkeys videos so far. So let us know if there are any other things that you would like help with. Otherwise, reach out to us at edtech@cvtc.edu. We hope you all have a tech-rific semester. We'll see you later. Take care.